What's up everyone, Lex DeVille here. In this video we're going to talk about matching the client's energy level in their job post within your proposals. If that's something you're interested in, stick around. Hey minions, if you're new to the channel and you like what I have to say, then be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Only do this if you like what I have to say and if you want to hear more about freelancing, entrepreneurship, and personal world domination. For those who don't know me, I'm Lex DeVille, and on this channel we help you escape corporate prison and build a freelance empire. We share lots of freelance tips and tutorials, so if you're new, consider subscribing. In our previous video, we talked about how I'm getting a flood of Upwork proposals or invitations all of a sudden. I'm getting a flood of those, and why I think that is happening. You can see that video up here, and maybe it'll help you figure out some ways that you can get some more proposal, or why do I keep saying proposals? Invitations. Invitations, as you know, are worth quite a bit more than proposals usually. If you're sending a proposal out to a gig, it's not going to be as easy to charge high rates as it will be to collect that from somebody who invites you, who already wants to work with you. This video, though, we're talking about client energy levels, which you can read from their job posts. This is a really important thing because something I've noticed whenever I've posted jobs and I've received invitations back, or now I'm swapping around again, and I receive proposals, is that freelancers will send proposals that are completely mismatched from my own energy level, and it makes them appear very unprofessional. It doesn't appear professional to me because I say, if you couldn't even see that I don't write anything like this, then you cannot possibly be the professional that I need. And showing that you are a professional is a big part of focus. It's a big part of proving to clients why you're the best person for this gig. So let's take a look at a job post because I want to show you what I mean. The thing we're doing here is we're looking for the writing style. We're looking for indicators of their personality. Is this person a reserved person? Are they an excited person? Are they more likely to be extroverted or introverted? Are they more relaxed and calm and balanced? Are they a slow moving person? We're just looking for who is this person and what is their energy level. And you can see this often from their spelling and grammar and how they write their sentences. So we'll just go over a job post here. It's copy for welcome series email campaigns. It starts out with hello, and it's got an exclamation point. That's really important to notice because that's already a higher level of energy than if it was hello, comma. Hello, comma is a more professional, it's a little bit more reserved, it's a little more conservative than hello, which kind of jumps off the page. But then we go into, I am working with a brand to redo and freshen up a few email marketing campaigns, and I will need help crafting email copy. To start this project, I have a few emails that I need copy for in a welcome series. Welcome email. This is the first email received after email sign up. For this email, I would like to add some benefits of the product. Any other ideas or recommendations, welcome. So you can see kind of what they're going for here. We don't really need to go any further than that to see how they've written their job post. They started at a higher level of energy, but then they kind of dialed it back and they just are using its friendly tone. That's kind of the tone here, is just a friendly, not super professional, not super corporate-y. It's an individual that maybe is an agency or is maybe another freelancer who's working with a brand and needs a little bit of help. So they started off with the word I, that's talking about their self. Notice how, as they write this, it's not a really fast, actionable sentence. I am working with a brand to redo and freshen up. That's a bit of extra details in there. A few email marketing campaigns, and I will need help crafting the email copy, period. So it's not an exclamation point. It's not 10 words or less. It's a little bit longer. It feels a little bit more drawn out and slow. And so we can say, based on the style of this, that it would be okay to say hello back. You could give that exclamation point. And this might be somebody who is friendly and fun and more casual, but also has a level of professionalism. It's not corporate. It's below that. It's a little bit less than that. So things that would be okay for this job post. It would be okay to use a casual tone when you write this, just a friendly tone, like you're writing to a friend, like you're writing an email to a family member or something like that. It would also be okay to use things like a smile emoji. If you wanted to have a smiling emoji in here, that would mimic this energy level because it's friendly, but it is professional, but it's not super corporate professional. It's a lower level. It's a more casual professional. It's semi-professional or semi-casual. And for that level, a smiley face emoji could be in your signature, it could be at the beginning in your headline if you use a headline, or it could even be somewhere within the copy. That would be fine. The main things you would not want to do here for this particular client would be to have a bunch of exclamation points to say, I can do this, and put exclamation points on every paragraph. And some of you freelancers out there do that. You will put exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point, or you will put 10 exclamation points at the end of your sentence. And it would make this client feel like this person doesn't understand me at all. They're not at my energy level. If you just in general wanted to mimic this client's energy level, you would start off with the same greeting. So let's say they invited you. You would say hello, or in your proposal, you would say hello, exclamation point. That would be fine. Not multiple exclamation points, just one. Then when you write your proposal, you would keep your proposal about this same length, and you would use similar grammatical punctuation. So you would use periods, just like she has. You would end your sentences in periods, not exclamation points, not anything else. You might use a dash. You see this hyphen here? You might use that somewhere if you know how to use it, but otherwise, you don't have to keep this super actionable. You can keep it more reserved, just a friendly tone. Hello, I see you need this, and here's how I can help you. And here are some things that you might want to know about me, or here are some things that I might need to know about you. Whatever you're going to say in your proposal, just keep it more reserved. If the client were using exclamation points on every sentence, if they were using, let's say they use check marks. So some direct response copywriting jobs use a lot of check marks. They'll use check marks instead of bullet points. Whenever you write your proposal, you would want to match that. You would want to use check marks instead of bullet points, and you would want to use more exclamation points at the end of your sentences. And you would want to keep your sentences short and snappy and fast and actionable. Pay attention to those things. How did they start their greeting? That's one. How long are their sentences? That's two. And how fast or slow do they read? Is it a long, slow sentences? Is it a long, slow sentence with many words with multiple syllables? Or is it a very short and fast sentence with very few words and words with very few syllables? It's very, very easy to read. Do they use exclamation points, or do they use periods? Or general question marks, but do they use more exclamation points, or are they using just periods? And how professional or how friendly is the tone? These are all things that are telling you about their energy level, and if you match their energy level, you're going to have a better chance to get responses. So be thinking about that going forward. Is this client a high level energy person? Are they very clearly outspoken, outgoing? Are they very direct in their style? Are they slow and reserved? Are they super professional, super corporate-y? These are all the tone and style. These are all factors of tone and style, but the main thing for this video is getting at the energy level. You don't want to be up here at energy level of 10 when the client's energy level is down here at a 6. If you can figure out by mimicking their job post style what energy level they're at, they're going to like you more because they're going to feel like you are more like them. That's something to be thinking about going forward. Let me know if you have any questions about this. You can put those in a comment down below. You're also welcome to bring them to our Discord chat. We have crossed the 500 member mark, so I'm very excited about that. Got some big announcements coming up this week. I'll leave the link to Discord also in a comment down below. Yes, I am bald. I forgot to mention that to you guys in case you weren't aware. I did shave my head this week and got rid of that long hair, so that's something else to be aware of going forward. I'm Lex DeBill. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.